Welcome back, WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. What I'll show you today is my tomatoes. We are trying to grow a new state record tomato in Michigan. The current record is 6.23 pounds by Chris Canensi of Wixom, Michigan. Right here, I want to show you, we put these in the ground about a week ago. Right here, I want to show you a blossom. This is a Domingo blossom right here. This is off the state record. I'm sorry, this is off the 5.95 pound Canensi plant, which grew the 9-pound world record. There's my blossom. All right, well, I picked the other little ones off, so you have the one on there. I've got these metal cages. I went by my uncle's yesterday. I actually brought him over here and showed him my plants. And he's a welder, among many things. Uncle Bob Clements. He welded these tomato cages because he says he didn't like the rolled concrete wire cages because it was too much hassle getting in between the little squares. So he made these, and I talked to Chris Kent of Sevierville, Tennessee, the world record watermelon holder, and he's grown a few tomatoes in his day, and he said this is the perfect cage, that this steel reinforcement will really support those tomatoes, along with this stake in the middle that I put in, staked them. And so there you go, there you have it. Now this is my, on the 7.73 Mentine, Joseph Mentine from Wisconsin, which was grown from the Michigan State Record plant. All right, there you go, look at that. There's a much better looking blossom there. All right, I picked the little ones off, we'll feed it. This is Veggie Dew from Dairy Dew Company of Michigan, Sears, Michigan, Dairy Dew compost. This in here again, to refresh your memory if you haven't seen the previous videos, is Veggie Dew with 77 minerals, composted cow manure, many other added goodies. Perlite, as you can see, has a ton of perlite in it. Very good stuff. All right, but I'm also tweaking this out a little bit. I'm gonna tweak it out with some of my own little goodies that I'll tell you about later. We'll see how they grow, how it goes, and later I'll share you my little secret additions. We do have a little leaf curl here. This leaf curl, this is quite common in growing giant tomatoes. It's pretty much the plant has taken enough nutrients, time to back off, maybe a little more watering, and just let it water, because that's all you really have to do with Veggie Dew anyways, is just water the plants. So there you go, there you have it. And I'm going to hit 2 grow cycles here. This little plant here is about a month behind the others, so we're going to hit the weather at 2 different patterns to find out, you know, what difference the weather makes. Plus this one is going to root in the soil much quicker. So there you go. I'm liking it, man. I'm liking it. My little tomato bin here, 3 tomatoes. So hey, I'll link this up to Bubba's lawn gourd video and give you the latest update on the lawn gourds. If you guys subscribe to my channel, click on your notifications, watch both these videos. I'll link this to another video. Watch them both, share them both, comment on both, and I'm going to pick a winner. Last winner was Colby Purnell from Utah. He won the 6-pack. It actually cost me $56 to ship that 6-pack to Utah. So from here on out, the winner will pay the shipping on the 6-pack. You can win a 6-pack of Mark's Mixes, retail value around $200. You pay the shipping. All right? So hey, comment and join us. WorldwideGiantGrowers.com. Bubba's attempt to grow a Michigan State record tomato in lawn gourd. Follow us all summer long as we proceed. Talk to you soon, man. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Bubba's using Dairy Dew in his flower beds this year. All right, man. Keep them growing.